Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I will make curried barbecue chicken. And in here I have this chicken ready. It's chicken legs. Supposed to be it's a one chicken cut up, but I use what I have here. Set that aside. And this in a small bowl here, it's I have the 3/4 cup of ketchup and 3/4 cup of vinegar and half a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Three. Mix it all together. Pour this in a chicken, the sauce. There's my chicken. It's ready. Thank you guys for watching my video. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.